Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually activate your beacon in Minecraft. Well, basically, just make sure that you got all the essentials, which is have the Minecraft that got a beacon inside of it, and make sure just to open your Word. For me, I'm using the 1.18 version of Minecraft, so it will be working for any version that you are using, as long as you have a beacon. And yeah, you don't have to have anything else. First of all, I will show you how you can actually get a beacon. To get a beacon, you have to fight the wither boss and fight it and kill it. And how to really spawn a wither boss, you need the wither skeleton skull. How to get it? Wither skull. Wither something. Wither boss. Let's get skull. Okay. Wither skeleton skull. Yeah, this one. And you will need so sand, that's like so. And after you put it something like that, you can spawn it by putting 3 heads and like something like but at the top, something like so, and it will be spawned. For me, I don't wanna ruin my word, so I'm just telling you how to spawn it. And for those who's asking how to get these skulls, you can just go to Nether, and after finding Nether mansion or the Nether castle, you go there and fight these skeletons, these black skeletons, and after you kill them, you might have their skull. It's really rare to get their skull drops down. I really suggest that you enchant your sword first and get loot in 3 at least to get their skull as fast as possible. And yeah, let's say that you completed this steps and you have already a beacon, so let's get a beacon. How can you really activate it? So you can't really activate it alone, just like so. You can't really activate any of these options. What you have to do is to get any kind of blocks. So I mean like blocks of any ingot, for example diamond block, I mean not ingot, I mean ore, like any ore in the game, not the lapis lazuli though, and I don't think the copper works as well. I think only iron, gold, emerald, diamond, and netherite. So let's choose the diamond for this tutorial. There is multiple choices for you to use as for beacon. The first one, which is this platform, which will work for you. There is also this bigger platform, which gonna be something like so, 3 3 3, something like that. And you have to like make it fully like don't let it empty from the inside. You gotta make it like fully placed blocks, just like so. And like that, you will have the second options. And to get the third option, you will have to add more surface. So let's add more blocks, something like that will work, I think. And something like that, like so. And the final platform is gonna be like 9 in the length and width. And this, I think this is 9 ways. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I need to add one more, so 9 like that. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it's gonna be something like so, like that. And what's the difference between these, like this one and the bigger one? Basically it adds more zone for the effects. And what else? It adds more options. For example, this one will only give you the first one will only give you haste 1 and speed 1. This one will only give you jump boost and resistance. This one will give you strength. After you complete it and make it 9, like this big, you will have everything upgraded to level 2. For example, haste 1 to haste 2, strength 1 to strength 2, jump 1 to jump 2, speed 1 to jump speed 2. And just after completing it like that, I'm trying to do it as fast as possible so I don't make this tutorial any longer for you guys. And yeah, I completed it, something like that. And we put our beacon in here, so just like so. I've completed my beacon and I turn it on. You can actually add some other decoration by putting a glass in here. The glass, basically what it does, it does a really good effect. So let's put a glass at the top of it. Something like that will work, and we can do something like that, and you will have these different colors in here. You can add multiple colors. You can add pistons to keep changing these colors, like a piston that will drag this color on and off and stuff like that. And yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. See ya guys.